Holly onto near Clinton to Uphill to near Souderton, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated impact. Expected incidental tree damage. Light damage is likely to mobile homes and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Trenton, New Brunswick, Somerville, Somerset, Bridgewater, Ewing, Middlesex, Mandel, Ferguson, Doylestown, Durham, Souderton, Bedminster, Flemington, Chalfont, Finnegan, High Bridge, and Clinton. People at the New Hope America 250 celebration should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey, 10 and 35. Interstate 195 in New Jersey near mile marker 0. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 61 and 76. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 11 and 23. Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close to lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer and Somerset, and